Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduct, my name is Fasa Gevira, NIM 202211539, SJava Traditional Batik. Marketing model of the development of management information system and effort to preserve the national cultural. 1. Introduct. Batik is one of Indonesia's cultural heritage, which has been transformed into culture the revered and admired by the world. Is the evidence for the date of October. UNESCO has encouraged Indonesian batik as cultural heritage humani, oral, and non-material. Mark the bridge of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Diversity of motifs that spread across Indonesia become on cultural heritage. The earth has a own aesthetic, flow, and perceptual. Batik is not only becoming a media trademark self, but batik is a cultural symbol that is culturally related to the origin of the motif is concorded. SJava can be considered as of the arrays in Indonesian, which use a variety of batik motif that has a high historical value is drawn on the motif of the Majapahit Kingdom, which is the largest company follow is drawn on the motif of the Majapahit Kingdom, which is the largest empire ever established in Indonesia as has typical regional style batik Mojokerto and Tulung Agung, where both this tradition in SJava. According to historians, which is used as a tool canting batik first of used in Kediri. 8. Java, through as historical basic, we can conclude that the cultural weighting of the batik in East Java has a of the portrait of Java provincial. The high aesthetic value embedded in the motif, making the big interest of the world community to have batik. This makes some designer cultures, both local and foreign, are competition to the design culture by using basic material batik fabric with how regard to the meaning and the value of the philosophy contained in the pictorial pattern. Through research university, application development in the management information system of the traditional batik East Java, through application of the applicator technology in the field of information technology is based on the uniqueness of the insert of Indonesia as a national that as a rich heritage of traditional culture in maintaining sustainability. One of which is to anticipated in the effort of the Islamic of their inquiries on the various estates won by the Indonesian. Cultural evolution of a very society has a wealth of the source Gerd fellow bit over the times of incarceration efforts began to find the is evaluated by external and internal factors. Indonesian society has a variety of cultures, some of which has a bin exclusion and belonging to the mentioned Indonesian, like puppet, batik, nose, and others. These cultures have solved be a priority give the perception of Its extension has a regulated worldwide. 3. Literature review. 1. Batik. The word batik is derived from the combination of the words Javanese and lager, amba, meaning, breathing, and knitting, which main point batik is one of making fabric stencil technique in batik cloths in the use a knife to avoid staining. Part of the fabric in the internationally created this technology in a with research dining batik Indonesian. As the very engineering technology and the development of related cultural motif and the UNESCO has been decided of the cultural heritage. Humanity oral and non-material matter price of the oral and intangible heritage of human science October. Indonesian batik fabric for the nation can be cited to ingredient because generally in Java, batik and used as a dress for abiding Cormorant on the ceremonies with even used in various activities in the Indonesian batik of the following martial heritage. A. Manufacturing dining technique uses splashes. B. Substack barrier in the mixed batik with a special point. C. Motif batik Indonesian have a culturating with a composite of the ornament that have a piece of philosophy. Beauty symbolic meaning is the artisans win in the personality of the Indonesian nation. Various motif batik handicraft of the Hindu culture has a development so represent after the era of Islam cultural at that many occupied the space of the building of the mosque, such as the depth of domes, towers, and shaped turban. In Islamic art, a fusion of flowers and the mean and now can dominate at it is the years of development. Some style motif use are 1. Motif style symbolic saliran Arisian and the theme of traditional of Hindu culture to Islam. 2. Motif scroll of natural motif composite of ornamental vegetation is growing tumbuhan and motif area north of Java, Madura, and Bali. 3. Motif look motif the can octura do the inverse of Chinese as contoral motif phoenix bird and animal and plant form with a wave fright. The development of batik pattern. In general, batik in Indonesia experienced grow in the history of batik in Indonesia is closely linked with the development of the Kingdom of Majapahit and the spread of Islam in Java. Some records the development of batik is mostly done in times of Mataram Kingdom. During the work of Solo and Yogyakarta. So this batik is Indonesian has been known since the time of Majapahit, Jobs, and growing the kingdom and later kings. As a starting the spread of the batik art belong to the people of Indonesia and Java pictorially the after the band of the King Erti culture of early minted country. Batik product batik unity department of art as a for the conscience with the spread of Islam many areas of Central Java batik batik student and later. Batik art is the of drawing on the fabric for Kurt Win become the kutuak keluarga Indonesia, king of old. Batik in reality working confident in the place and the rule for the king, Kulden and family and his followers. Batik Java Timuran. And as Java batik older than the Batik Java, batik is style of the indefined in the people of Central, the real estate batik partners Jabi and much older handwork of activities in introduce Jeff batik chartize in the public eyes. As Java batik colors and bold lace Asian desert city as a desert motif notice a majority grill free image large motif money respects nature animals atau plants. Batik all the regional color and the legend motif consortium limers of all the regular motif affiliation with the generally using theme of Majapahit Kingdom and the Singhasari. It of Saint Cordy in the X-Ray Queen, Java the Satu Black upgrading template Singhasari, template Keming, Squatin templates and so on. Terima kasih. Sekian, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.